guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today, this video, I'm gonna be reacting to lightning bolts, guys. This is so awesome. Make sure to stay tuned and watch till the end. Subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoy it. Let's get right into the video. So some lightning bolt strikes, guys. Let's watch. By the way, guys, these are some crazy lightning strikes. Oh! That's crazy. Oh! But did you see that? But that looked crazy. Oh. Let's get up. Bro, if I see a lightning strike, I would be so scared. I'm still going. Let's see this. Let's see this. Oh shoot! Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. Is it gonna strike the tree? Wait. What? What's gonna happen?
Oh my God!
Guys! Bro, that scared me, bro. Bro, let's watch that again. Bro, let's try the tree. Bro, this guy's so lucky, bro. Bro, guys, comment down below if you ever saw a lightning strike. Bro, that's so crazy, bro. That's right. Strike the ship. Wait. It's smoking. Bro. Oh. Actually, guys, that one looked really cool. But that looked cool, guys. Bro, that's so crazy. Bro, I would be so scared. Bro, let's see, let's see. Oh, it struck the end of the building. It struck the building. Bro, that's so crazy. No. Wait. Bro, wait. Oh! It's trying to... Wait. Bro, I would be so scared, bro. Wait. Bro. Comment down below if you ever saw anything like this, guys. Bro, this is so crazy, bro. Damn! Oh!
Boom! Holy moly.
bro.
Oh my god.
Wait. Let's see. Oh, it shot to right there. Oh. Okay, guys. Guys, that was so crazy. Guys, comment down below if anything like that ever happened to you. Guys, that would be, bro. I would be so scared. Guys, comment down below what you will do. Subscribe. This is the end of the video, guys. So subscribe, like the video, and comment down below if you ever saw anything like that. And peace. I'll see you in the next video.